How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veins to pop out of your hands, step-by-step workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So we're going to start off doing some hand curls. Again, really, really good. That's 20, keep going, 21, 22. 30, perfect, quick little break. Next exercise is going to be the claw stretch. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Hold this for 20 seconds. Again, really important that you're squeezing the whole entire time. You should never not be squeezing. That's the point of this exercise. It's basically a squeeze hold. So we're squeezing and we're holding at the same time. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, so next exercise is going to be extensions. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna move our fingers like this. So just like this, very easy, for about 20 seconds. Again, this is a great exercise to do. This is one of my typing exercises that I do right before typing. It really allows the fingers to get warmed up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna do squeezes now, so get your hands and make fists, squeeze really, really hard. Hold this for about 20 seconds. So keep going, squeeze, 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 just like that. Perfect, quick little break. We're then gonna end it with curls. Perfect. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.